Tata. Tata.
Good morning, everyone. Actually, it's my first time.
Tata.
Na ano para sabi asawa to ba?
Okay.
Nakabalik na liwa. So, for distinguished guests, to the faculty, staff, and the students, good morning. Hello, everyone. Before we start, gusto ko lang mabalaan, sino dere ang voluntaryo na nagkadto. And mga Miss PA, from Miss PA Department, I'm LGT, ko rin nga duwa. Ito ka rin yung palmang guys. Bali, may duwa ko di ka OJT nga rin rin. Ito ka duty sa branch. So, sino naman diyan wala choice? Nga nagkanto. So may attendance pa ha? May attendance ma'am? May attendance. Okay, sige. So good. Are you all ready to graduate? Ready na ka mo? Ready na. So again, louder please. Ready na gid. Prepared na for your graduation. Okay. So, but before that, now that I have your attention, I want to start with a simple truth. I'm not here to tell you that life is easy. I'm here to prove that change is possible even when everything around you says otherwise. So many of you think successful people are just lucky. Sino rin sa inyo, be honest, swerte lang bala ang inyo ba sa matagal daw? Di ba sometimes when we see successful people online, no, kaysa makasilingta daw, ka-unfair, no? Di ba? Unfair. So, yung iba, successful na. Habang tayo, successful pa lang sa pagpupuyat. We often think confidence comes first, opportunity comes first, and support comes first. But the truth is, most people grow while they still confused. May pang duwa-duwa, scared, and struggling to figure life out. I know that because I've been there. Isa ko da sa hinagyan niya mo sila. Wala ko yan nag-shortcut. My life during college wasn't that easy. I know many of you here would agree. Di bala, di hapos ang pag-eskwela. A lot can happen in 4 years. And I'm no different from all of you. Mine wasn't just a roller coaster of emotion, but everything. It wasn't just about passing exams on a paper. It was a test of life, of strength, resilience, and survival. First year ko, while ara kami sa pila para mag-enroll sa Miss Bay, gamay lang ng istorya. May mga huring-huring na ko, may bati-bati na ko, nga stricto ko no ang department head sa Miss BA. Pero, bet niya na ko no ang may mga talent. Actually, that's how I met Ma'am Jubel Vergara, Miss Jo. And the late Ma'am Tejero. So actually, they were the ones who discovered my talent sa cultural and sa dance sports. You know, I never imagined na makabalo ko yung mag-dance sport. Kaya wala ko talent sa muna, gitago ko kita. Kabi ko, hasta lang ko sa kwarto, sa tuba, Miss Pio. Pero kita nyo, manigor lawas ko na tabi. Sino na nakita ka dance sport? Partida sa Latin category, pa ko ka-intra. True. So, you know, I never imagined, pero I represent our department sa Latin category, if I'm not mistaken, 3 years consecutive. Maybe? O, hindi na ako madumduman sa intramurals na. And 3 years ko represent sa Squamit for our Binalbagan campus sa Muna. So, first time ko nagsaot sa Muna, sa Gaisano grad pa na sa Muna, sa Bacolod. So, amo itong pinaka-memorable ko, kaya ano man lang, na after sang saot, damo-damo itong babae gaulat sa akin, girl students, I mean, para magpa-picture ko nung kay tungod sa dimple ko. Pati ka mo. Karon lang kay inatago ako dimple. Okay, so pero hindi lang ta sa saot, pati sa Mr. and Miss Kamsi magpati ka mo sa hindi. May picture mo, pero may pruwiba ko. Charot. So Mr. and Miss Kamsi, pinintrahan ko man na. Ambot din ako kadumdum, pero ambot si Ma'am Jo. 3 times ko ma'am nag-attempt to join. Kay grabe saling ko sa akon sa unaw. So I always represent Mr. Miss Kamsi. 3 years sa BSBA. And I've been also a ambassador of goodwill for 2 years man sa WBM. Harap pa ma'am? Harap pa ma'am? Yes. So I've been a ambassador for 2 years man consecutive. Pero kidding aside, joining pageant was my sideline in college. Actually, walagi ko yung galagas sa crown. Importante sa akon that time ang special or minor awards na makuha ko. Kaya actually, kada sash na sa una, may 50 or 100 pesos. Ano ba sa una, Ma'am Jo? Kada isa so ginapatos ko na iya kay para may pangtugang ko allowance. Because pati sa mga lower year na gali katudlo pa ko na yung saot, pop dance, hip hop, pati pag-choreograph sa Tingkalalag Festival sa Isabela, kay taga Isabela ko. And kaya ang mga trainers pina ko da, kay ginadugang na namon pang allowance sa akon nga manghod. Tunga pa kami nagaling Kiss na ako, wala na, malang na si Batuman nga ni Kiss na, pero I still survive. I was in 2nd year when my father suffered from stroke. Imagine, sorry. Kaka-retire niya lang sa army. Then it happened. Coming from a family of 8 siblings, our life totally went upside down. Sang si papa ko na paralyzed, kami tanan apektado. Kay kami tanan, eskwela pa. May arap pa sa elementary, may arap pa high school, tapos duwa kami sa manghod ko si JB. Ay, di na siya direct dungan kami na eskwela. Classmate na sila ni Ma'am Girlie. So, kami isa po ka special ko, special child. It was the time I started to doubt myself. Damo ko yung questions, kung makaya ko pa bala, o makaya pa bala namon, without a support. Ang question ko, makagraduate pa ko ayan. Di ba masakit pa minsan ron, paano ni man? Pero mas masakit kung ikaw mismo hindi ka mag-iho para magbago ang imo sitwasyon. Tungkol sa kapigaduhon, man sa una, talagsa na lang ko makapuli sa amon. Wala labot, kulang pang plite, kabalong man ko nga sila sa balay, wala man. That's why, ang Sabado kag Domingo nga ginapahuway sa iban, ako amo na ang time ko nga magbaka-baka, makapangita obra kag sideline. Luckily, on my 3rd year, nakilala ko si Attorney Bernal. Attorney Bernal is one of the good friend of Miss Jo. Nag-obra ko na sa iya balay pag wala ko klase. Go all around, manugluto, manuglimpyo, manug-check ang test papers namon. Kag extra na pambayad sa amon boarding house. Pasalamat nito kay attorney. Ang iban nga reklamo nga pigado, yes, kakabudlay, nagkakapoy ng pigado. Pero hindi na makatapos, kaya balkon hindi ka na makatapos, kaya kung pigado, hindi ka makatapos mo. Pero ako pa na, gani ang nag-push sa ako to strive hard. Na dapat makatapos para makapangita sa mayong obra. Kaya in reality, ayawat nga ni pangita obra ang nakatapos na, ayhan pa ikaw na hindi ka magtapos sa iyong pag-eskwela. Salamat. Ay, sorry. So dako ka pasalamat ko sa akong mama, kay never ligid kami gipabayan. Salamat ma, wala man di siya pero kay ginatilan man siya mo. So salamat ma, kay despite sa nainagyan na mo never mo kami discourage na hindi magpadayon sa pag-eskwela. Financially man, nila wala na provide tanan, pero in the guidance niya kag pagtuo amo nang akon in kapyutan. Di bali pigado basta nakatapos. Now, can you look the person beside you? Natawa niyo to palmi? Natawa? Natawa nanay. Hindi ba natawa? Say hi to him or her. Is he or she your friend? Okay. can you tell the person sitting beside you a simple thank you? Thank you for being with me in this journey. Kaya actually, damo bigahambal nga barkada kung hindi mayo may influensya. Gagri ka mo, may barkada hindi may influensya. Pero I stand here in front of you na mag-disagree ko. Kaya hindi man tanan. So, but you just have to know the right people. You know, all throughout college, ang grupo ang naging dalangpan ko. Friends who helped me not just financially, but also emotionally, mentally, and physically. They were with me through my ups and downs. During my last year here in university, my friends became my family and their family became my family too. I-highlight ko lang may apelido, pinag-decade ako, inilang pasalamatan ko sa ila for 2 years. Sa family Pangalilon, nga naghatag sa ako ni Kaduha nga balay diri. Sa Magdasal Sisters, si Aiko kag si Aisa. Yes, Ma'am Jo. Nga naghahatag na sa akon sa muna bugas, allowance, halina kay nanay kay tatay nila. Kay Migo ko Jelibin, Yangga, kay Edgar. Yes, Ma'am. Bugas kay tinapay na sa una. Dinadalaan ko na nila every Saturday. I don't know how I survived college without them also. I remember before our graduation pictorial, di ba may pictorial na? Miss Jo, before graduation may pictorial na? Tanan ka mo may ara na. Picture ka mo tanan? Para ba lang iputaran na sa inyo balay? Mag-graduation, no? Mag-graduate na ka mo, may picture. Ako yan sa una, sa among kumatay, kulang akong kwarta. In Salvar, kulang akong manghod. Pero ako, Ma'am Jo, wala ko ito pa-picture. Yes, Ma'am. Dito po akong isok mata ni Sir June sa Iloilo, sa Iloilo. Nga, wala na kayo nakita sa kaya wala ko pang bayad. Yes. Until now, walang iko na picture. Ang may picture ko ito, duwa pa ta Ma'am Jo. So, ang muna, kabutlay sa muna. But I know, hindi man tanan para riyo ta story. But, hindi man ko kahatag assurance nga tanan kita same stories. But, who would have thought me that after 12 years, I would be back here standing in front of you. Diminishing about the experience I had both good and bad are my testimony of how this alma mater moved me into who am I today. When hardship became the foundation of my journey in the real world, I can proudly say that I have no regrets, only a heart full of gratitude. A month after graduating, I had the opportunity to work in Iloilo through the help of my college professor, Ma'am Jo. Si Ma'am Jo, niya rin patigayin sa una, first job sa Iloilo. I took the chance without knowing exactly where it would lead me. But eventually, that single opportunity allowed me to become the breadwinner of my family. But then, 4 months after being employed, my father passed away. Ang hindi ko gid malipatan, last niya nga hambal sa akon, nga kung magpauli ko, baklan ko siya tinapay, kag bayo. But it never happened. It was too late. Couldn't fathom the fact that he waited up until our graduation, until I finally had a job. Then he left us. As if he wanted to make sure that we would be okay first. Sila di kompleto paginikanan, mama, papa, complete. Be thankful every hour, every minute, Andrew A. Charot lang. So, isang kompleto paginikanan, don't forget to thank them as mas kaya mo pa.
Picture, Papa.
Kaya di na mabalik pag once wala na sila. But a simple thank you every day sa ila. Dako na yung impact sa ila. And isa lang, nga makita nila nga maayuhan ta sa uli. Kaya mo lang ng ila nga goal mo as parents. My journey has taken me through 4 different companies. Excuse me. I started as an auditor in Iloilo. A year after I went home in Negros, I was an account officer in a microfinance and worked my way up to a unit manager. When I wanted to provide for my family, I stepped out of my comfort zone and became a senior van salesman. Fast forward today, I am a branch manager of a financial institution, which is Asialink Finance Corporation. Quick story lang, at least may knowledge lang kami. Asialink Finance Corporation, we offer financial needs like kung gusto nyo magkuha sa lakyan, additional capital, Asialink, provide na. So, isalbot ko lang ni, kaya actually sa Asialink to offer kami commission-based. Sa mga hindi pa, alam lang, wala pa pala ng plan nyo kung diin ang goal nyo kung anong obrahan nyo, please message me. Kaya pwede na kang uligan. Maski part-time lang, hindi pa man-lit sila kayo actually. Ako man na company amon, ginaanhan, pero ang capacity wala sa employment. May other branches man. So muna, my name again is Rolando Torillo Kabanganan Jr. Muna ako nga sa akong personal Facebook. So may arap gusto nyo, for the meantime, saan ka pangita pala ka mo, brother, may part-time ka mo. Please message ko. Ito doon, taka mo hindi niya power ha. Just message me. Kaya mo ligata ka mo. The path wasn't easy, but every challenge taught me to be stronger, more resilient, and more determined. Because the success isn't about where you start. It's about how hard you're willing to grow. Over time, I learned something important. Confidence that not comes before action, but action creates confidence. The moment I stopped waiting to feel ready and started taking small steps forward, my life began to change. Not overnight. Hindi ka nagtulog ko papunta ako successful na. Definitely not perfect, but consistently. And that's the message I want every student and every person in this hall to remember today. Your background may explain your situation, but it does not define your future. Where you came from does not decide where you can go. Our struggles do not cancel your potential, and our failures do not remove your value. People will doubt you, and even you will doubt yourself. And yes, life will test you. But none of that gets the final say. Your future is built by the choices you make every day, not by the fears you carry. Every successful person you admire once felt unqualified, kag isagi ko na da sa amo na nga part sa kabuhi ko. As you know, every strong person once felt weak. And the truth is, many successful people are not even the smartest or the luckiest people in this room. They are simply people who refuse to quit on themselves, but because growth starts the moment you decide not to quit. Dali na naman tapos mapulo ka page ko rin. There will be days when you feel behind, days when you compare yourself to your classmates who seem more confident, more prepared, and eager to succeed. There will be moments when failures feels louder than your potential, but a difficult season does not mean a failed future. Your path does not have to be the same as the path of the person sitting beside you. Every lesson learned, every setback, and every small step forward shaping you into someone stronger, wiser, and more capable than you realize right now. Keep going, not because the road is easy, but because your future is still being written. So today, my dear future alumni, I challenge you. Take the first step, apply for the opportunity, speak up, learn something new, and believe that your effort today will become your success tomorrow. O diba, if Elon Musk may Tesla, ako yung mapapalan ko lang sa inyo, Tesla. Take, apply, speak, learn, and believe. For 2 years now, we've been welcoming CAMSO BS-based students for their on-the-job training, not just to open doors for them, but also to help them build confidence, gain experience, and believe in the potential. By this, we are preparing you for the realities of what we call the workplace. And for me personally, this has also been a way of giving back to my alma mater. The institution helped and shaped who I am today. As the saying goes, pay it forward. Because sometimes the best way to show gratitude for the opportunities we once received to become an opportunity for someone else. And if you can help even one student grow, gain confidence, or feel inspired about their future, then that effort is already meaningful. And before I end, I want you to all remember this. Years from now, you will either say, I wish I had started, or I'm glad I never gave up. The difference between those two futures begin with the decision you make today. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting to be confident. Stop waiting for someone else to believe in you before you believe in yourselves.
Nahulang ko.
Because success does not begin, life becomes easy. I want you all to walk out of this hall with courage. Walk out with purpose and walk out knowing that your dreams are valid. Your voice matters and your future is bigger than your current situation. There is a potential in you that the world is still waiting to see. And one day, the struggles that you face today may become the story that inspires someone else to keep going. So rise up, take the chance and become the person you were meant to be. Because the world does not need more people who are afraid to fail, but the world needs people who are brave enough to try. And that person is you, all of you. Thank you and good day.
Thank you so much, Mr.